In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello dashboard that allows you to view multiple boards in a single convenient space. This can be a game changer for staying organized and keeping track of everything on your plate across various projects. So, let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to Trello.com in your preferred web browser. This will take you to the Trello homepage, where the journey to organizing your work life begins. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button. You'll find this option typically at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked on Login, you have a couple of options for accessing your Trello account. You can log in using your email and password, or if you prefer, you can streamline the process by using your Google account. This is particularly handy if you want to skip remembering another password, especially if you're already logged into Google on your device. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to your boards page. This is your hub for all things project related. Head over to the boards link, which is usually found in the upper menu bar. You're looking to see all your boards at a glance, each nestled within its respective workspace. Now find the section labelled Your Workspaces. Workspaces help you group related boards together, and this is where you'll want to start organising things into a dashboard format. When you're in the Your Workspaces area, you'll see a variety of boards to choose from. Click on the board that you want to start with, or select several if you're going for that comprehensive, all-inclusive dashboard view. You're now on your selected board and you want to look for the Workspace Views section. This is the part of Trello that makes creating a multi-board dashboard possible. It's generally located on the upper right-hand side of the board page. The beauty of this section is it offers several different ways to view your tasks, designed to adapt to your personal workflow. Finally, within the Workspace Views section, you'll want to select Table. This option provides an overview that lets you see multiple boards at once on a single page. This form of viewing is superb for tracking tasks, due dates, and responsibilities across projects, allowing you to manage your workload more effectively. And there you have it. Creating a Trello dashboard by using the table view in the Workspace Views section is a simple yet powerful way to harness the full potential of Trello for all your organizational needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Trello experience just got a little more seamless and productivity enhancing.